The babies don't like it, but Samoa is locked in a race against time to vaccinate the entire population of around 200,000 people to try and stop a medical disaster that's killing a handful of children every day.
Some of those children are dying in front of us, in front of them and in front of other families in the intensive care unit.
A state of emergency was declared 3 weeks ago, and the Samoan government has shut down schools and businesses to conduct a mass immunisation campaign supported by the United Nations Children's Fund, which has contributed 160,000 vaccinations.
Right now, every day, there are more people with measles, and a percentage of them may die. So right now, the vaccination is all about stopping the growth and the spread of the disease.
Authorities face the challenge of reaching many people in remote villages, but the vaccination campaign has come far too late for some families who have already lost up to 3 children.
We don't know what to do. And we don't know how to accept it.
The Samoa epidemic is the latest in a global resurgence of measles that has affected countries including New Zealand, the United States, Brazil and the Democratic Republic of Congo, where almost 5,000 people have died this year. Measles is considered more contagious than the deadly Ebola virus, and the World Health Organization says the upsurge in infection is being driven by a deep distrust of vaccines and a lack of access to health care. Less than half the population were immunised before the epidemic struck, and many Samoans still believe in traditional cures like being sprayed with filtered water to relieve the symptoms. However, UNICEF says there needs to be an education campaign about the benefits of vaccination, and it says more New Zealanders also need vaccinations to stop spreading the disease throughout the Pacific.
Part of what we have to do now as citizens of New Zealand is ensure that our herd immunity is high. We're protecting not just our own children, not just our own community, but the children who we care about and who we're connected to right across the Pacific.
Despite the vaccination campaign, experts predict that the death toll will rise to at least 70 over the next few weeks before the outbreak reaches its peak. Owen Poland, CGTN, Auckland.